And now getting into our weather forecast, a really big forecast heading into the second weekend of Jazz Fest. We know we're staying warm and humid. We'll have that mix of clouds and sun, so sunscreen and so forth necessary. And then, of course, the big thing is Thursday and Friday, we have a rain chance. So you'll want to include rain gear. And I know you want to get more specifics, which I'll show you in a second. Saturday and Sunday look drier and probably a little hotter, getting close to 90 degrees. But the big thing, of course, is it going to rain Thursday and Friday? And there is at least a chance with our setup. So I wanted to jump right in and show you what we're expecting. First of all, today, nice day, not expecting rain. Our temperatures just middle to upper 80s later this afternoon. Tomorrow morning, there might be a stray shower early. Let me show you this model. Really, it depends. The models are not in good sync. Some have a lot of rain, some have very little rain. For example, this one, 5 p.m. This is toward the end of the day Thursday, and we may only have seen an isolated shower or storm, maybe even far north toward Hammond or farther north than that into Mississippi. Then on Friday, this particular model wants to bring a line of storms because of which I'll show you in a second is an unsettled pattern. What is an unsettled pattern out to our north? Friday during the day, this is at the start of Jazz Fest. It has some showers and then it has it kind of calming down later in the day. So might be a day possibly where we get the rain around midday or afternoon. This is a different model. Now, this is the high resolution model. It has a completely different solution. So I just wanted to show you what we're looking at, and then I'll show you the overall setup. It has Thursday morning couple of showers, and instead of only having a shower or two, it has more rain around by 3 p.m. and then toward 5, 6, 7. It has a pretty decent amount of showers and storms. So very hard to say for tomorrow. A lot will depend on how things just shape up during the day. Let me show you another one, though. This is the European model showing the overall pattern. Really what we'll have are these clusters of storms forming out west and passing possibly to the north of us, possibly weakening when they get to us. We will see. And then, of course, at least one model does have a couple of those storms rolling right in over us. So this is Friday, and notice Thursday it had dry. Friday it has us mainly dry. A big thing will be these surface fronts hanging to our north and almost stalling. And so that may focus the rain a little bit farther north, which is why the big global models, the GFS and the Euro, don't have as much rain for us. They kind of keep a lot of it just outside of our area, and that takes us into Saturday and Sunday. So hard to say, but what I would say right now is for tomorrow for Jazz Fest, temperatures in the 80s and at least a 30 or 40% chance for rain. We will see midday or afternoon, and maybe even later would be more likely. Sunscreen, water, sunglasses and hat, and I think rain poncho or umbrella needed Thursday and Friday. And you might want to hold off on the rain boots until we do get some rain out there, and then it may be muddier the next day if we do get rain, for example, on Thursday. So day to be prepared. It doesn't look like we'll have much of a severe risk, but you might have to deal with a few of those downpours. Temperatures right now in the 80s. It's a pretty day. We have blue skies. Our dew point has risen just a little bit for a bit more mugginess. Our highs may be near 88 today. Looking pretty good for Wednesday at the square. Our temperatures will be around 86 still at 5 p.m. Mostly clear and still that warm feel through this evening, and then pleasant for later on tonight. We may see some patchy fog, kind of a repeat of the past couple of mornings in spots for early tomorrow. So something to watch out for early. Right now, Saturday and Sunday looking mainly dry, and then early next week, we're getting close to 90.